Welcome to Bonnen Battery. Today, I am excited to introduce one of our latest lithium battery products, designed specifically for marine applications. This battery pack features an aluminum alloy enclosure, which makes it significantly lighter than steel cases. This battery system can be used in a wide variety of electric boats, including yachts, catamarans, and water taxis, providing high power output and dependable performance. Now, let's take a closer look at the interface and connectors located on the battery pack. Starting with box A, which is the primary enclosure. You'll find the main positive and negative terminals, both using high current connectors rated for 300 ampere continuous discharge. You will also see a series connection port used to link box A to box B. We provide a complete set of connection harnesses with clear labeling to ensure proper and safe installation. Next are the communication ports, which can be used to connect the battery pack to your boat's onboard control systems for real-time monitoring and data exchange. Just below the communication port is an interface designed for connecting the battery display screen, allowing users to view operating status and parameters at a glance. For charging, we've equipped the system with a 2-pin charging connector, and we included the matching charging harness that can be connected to the onboard charger. Lastly, the inter-battery communication port allows the two enclosures to exchange data and operate in full synchronization when connected with our included serial communication cable. To ensure added safety, each enclosure is fitted with a pressure relief valve, which automatically releases internal pressure in extreme conditions, reducing the risk of damage. At Bonnen Battery, we are committed to providing professional services, customized energy solutions, and reliable technical support to meet your unique application needs. Thank you very much for watching. See you in our next video.